Here is the solution video for the magic trick, the truth comes out of the pack. To understand how it is possible to find the spectator's card, we will analyze each step. Before we proceed, here is what we should remember about this trick. First, we must know the difference between the card chosen by the spectator from the card the spectator told the magician. The chosen card is the card the magician is trying to find, while the card told by the spectator is the card the spectator claims to have chosen. No matter what card is told, the magician will have to spell 4 words. We will name these steps. The first, spelling the card's value. The second, spelling the word of. The third, spelling the card's suit. The fourth, spelling the word true. For every word, the spelling process is the same. At each letter, the magician puts the upper card of the pile down on the table and continues until the word is completed. Once completed, the magician places the remaining cards in his hands on top of the pile that was created. After each step, it is important to notice the position of the chosen card within the pile, so we can predict where it will be after each spelling. Initially, the spectator chooses his cards among the 4 piles of 2 cards placed on the table. He then places it back underneath this pile and places this pile onto the 6 remaining cards. We notice that the spectator's card is then in second position. During the first spelling, the magician spells the value of the card told by the spectator. The card can be of any value, from the ace to the king, but we should notice that the value is always between 3 and 6 letters. The shortest word being ace, 2, 6, and 10, and the longest ones being 11 and 12. This means that no matter what the value of the card told by the spectator is, the number of letters is always greater or equal to the position of the chosen card. In any case, the magician will place the spectator's card second on the table. We do not need to care about the order of the cards placed on top of the chosen card. Whether we spell the shortest word or the longest word, we know that the chosen card will be in second to last position within the pile after the first spelling. The chosen card is then in the 7th position after the first spelling. During the second spelling, the magician spells the word of. Therefore, the 2 upper cards are placed on the table and underneath the pile. The rank of the chosen card is diminished by 2. It is then in the 5th position after the second spelling. During the third spelling, the magician spells the suit of the card told by the spectator. So, spades, diamonds, clubs, or hearts. Let's notice that the smallest word that can be spelt is clubs. This word, being made of 5 letters, makes it possible to know that the chosen card will necessarily be placed on the table during that spelling. Therefore, 4 cards will be placed underneath the chosen card and 3 cards will be placed on top. The chosen card will then be in 4th position after the third spelling. During the 4th and last spelling, the magician spells the word true. Since this word has 4 letters and the chosen card is in 4th position, the card that will be in the magician's hands at the announcement of the last letter will inevitably be the card chosen by the spectator. The magician can then know if the card chosen by the spectator corresponds to the card told by the spectator, and thus prove that the truth comes out of the pack.